Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Gideon Hua. We are here to bridge the gap. Bridge the gap between data and wisdom, medicine and lifestyle, and artificial intelligence and real human care.
Today, we're standing at the edge of an incredible new era, and technology is connecting us like never before.
So I'm extremely honored to be partnered with AI Wellness as we lead this global revolution. Nitric oxide is the future of healthcare.
Your body has a unified response of either keeping you in homeostasis, moving towards a healthy longevity pattern in your life, so a health span, or you're moving towards chronic illness.
Heart attack, Lyme disease, shingles, dementia, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, almost anything you can think of, we've seen phenomenal results with.
That's the infinite wellness, because the body, in our opinion, has infinite ability to repair itself. It's designed to repair. It's designed to be resilient.
And it's a real pleasure for me to be here today and talk to you about infinite wellness.
What do I believe about infinite wellness? What does infinite wellness mean to me?
Imagine for a second a future where your body can heal itself on a cellular level, and AI oversaw every decision. That future is here.
More importantly, you'll feel like your grandma's giving you the most wonderful, loving hug in the world. You feel like a warm blanket's over you, basking in divine love.
Cosmetic-wise, we're just giving people their confidence back, and that's really so important now in this world.
And when your gut is off, everything is off. And we've seen a ton of probiotics in the market that is not gut specific.
You have known a little bit more about hyperbaric. It is your turn to take your patients, if you are a physician, or if you're a performance athlete, to take your athletic game to the next level.
So if you want to extend not only your health span, but your play span, the time that you have to play at the game of life, you need to measure and improve your emotional fitness